The 2025 Mazda CX-70 is awaiting arrival at Mazda of Crystal Lake. Be sure to subscribe for when it arrives. I will be sure to do a ride and drive and review for you. Our very first CX-70 that we will see here at Mazda of Crystal Lake is that of a Turbo S premium all-wheel drive, high output 340 horsepower inline 6-cylinder with an 8-speed automatic, and this will be with turbo premium package including heated leather steering wheel, ventilated front seats, and 360-degree view monitor with see-through view. Also standard with new safety technology such as emergency lane keeping, secondary collision reduction, and also featuring new interior features such as Alexa, wireless Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, and wireless phone charger. The all-new CX-70 is bound to rival the likes of the BMW X5 with its sporty characteristics and always the drive of a Mazda. It'd be wise to subscribe for tracking and updates on our arrival here at Mazda Crystal Lake for the all-new Mazda CX-70. Have a great day, safe travels, Mazda family.